guys, I'm Kenzie. I'm at Whitmer High School and I want to pursue a career in media arts, so we are going to see how that's going to work. Let's go interview a professional. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Kenzie.
Hi Kenzie, I'm Matt Mullen. Nice to meet you.
I was looking for a career in media arts and I wanted to have you tell me more about it.
All right, you're in the right place.
All right. So for careers, how would I be able to start that in high school?
Well, this is a pretty fantastic place. We've got so much equipment here to get you started, and so you can really sink your teeth into all that goes into being in the media arts field.
All right, I'm professional now, just saying. And then I can just talk to everybody. What kind of things would I learn if I wanted to have a career in media arts?
Well, you're going to learn pretty much every phase of the production process, pre-production. It's where you've got scheduling, you've got writing, you've got storyboarding, you've got all the creative parts, all the care that goes into that. It happens before you even start filming. Then you have the production process where you set up your cameras, and you've got your lighting, and you've got the people that you've scheduled to be there, and you're interviewing them. And then probably the most fun part of it is post-production, where you see all the magic come together, where you're editing and you're finalizing things and you're finding little happy accidents and moments that you can put together into this finished product that really leaves you satisfied with the whole process.
Well, our newscast.
What's this?
That's our soundboard, sound mixer. The cameras that film the anchors for our news desk.
This is so cool. I want to be on camera.
Yeah, like look at that backdrop that we got.
Wow.
The studio lights.
Obviously, not everybody's going to Hollywood. So what other careers are there in the media arts field?
A career in media arts is more than just being a local news reporter or a Hollywood director. It's also being a chief marketing officer or being in a marketing department at a nonprofit, being an editor, being a motion graphics designer, a drone operator.
So Matt, what do you have to say for our fans who might want to do media arts as a profession?
Well, join us.
That was so much fun. It was so much better than I expected. What I've learned today is that there are so many careers that go unnoticed in this field, like sound editing and graphics. And there are so many careers that you can do, from marketing to being a cinematographer to being on the news. There are just so many options, and you always have to adapt because this career is always changing. There's always something new about it. I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe!